So for line graph, we're going to use a different data set. So let's create a data set for Amtrak passengers. So Amtrak passengers is a data of number of riders over time. So here, all right, so that is month. There are only two variables here. A time variable, okay, so month is time ID, and then ridership. Okay. So we can look at ridership. It's here. So here ridership. Oh, we have one value for each of them. Let's not worry about that. We don't want that. All right, so let's create the data set first. And there are 159 observations. Okay, now bring in Amtrak passengers in here, and then let's do a graph explore and run results. So if you do a line graph, right, and then month is X, ridership is Y, then what you get is a time series plot. By examining the time series plot, we can tell whether there is trend or seasonality. So in the forecasting course, we talked about all of that. Okay, so the time series has four different components: trend, seasonality, cyclical, and random fluctuations. And of these three, trend and seasonality are the ones that we can analyze and use for forecasting purposes. So whether there is presence of trend and whether there is presence of seasonality there are several analysis tools out there that we can use for that, and one of them being visually examining the graph itself. So here you can tell that there is a kind of monthly seasonal pattern that repeats itself, but the overall trend is going like that. So if you look at that part of the graph, you can see that there is an upward trend. So in this section, or in the immediate future, you can expect the trend to continue, the seasonality to continue, and then we can take that information from the analysis and use it for forecasting. So that's what line graph is for. Line graph is used for examining time series plots.